everybody. Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with another diamond painting unboxing for you. Bibi and Charlie are here. They're always here, but they are literally running around. I opened up the back door a crack so they could go outside. I have a little deck out there, and they are running through the room, out to the living room, getting a drink, running back, because, you know, you don't just walk, you just run. Oh, to be a dog. So, this is a diamond painting from Wish. I like Wish. They're cheap. When I want a really good quality, I don't go to Wish. But they do a lot of fun little ones. Oh, it's a nice little card. Thanks for shopping with us. Let everyone enjoy the fun of diamond painting. There are many other diamond paintings in our shop. Welcome to pick and buy. And this is all wrapped in cellophane. Usually there's a little trap door on one side. Yep, here we go. And it's folded, and even though this package was not bubble wrapped, it's not creased very badly. That's pretty good. And it's a full drill round, 40 by 30. It has the clear paper, which personally I like. A lot of people don't like it. If you don't like it, just get some parchment paper, not wax paper. And the reason not wax paper is because there's a right and a wrong side to wax paper. And just like this cellophane, if I flipped this cellophane over and put it back down, I wouldn't be able to get it off. It would be really stuck. I'd have to get baby wipes. So wax paper has a right side and a wrong side. So I say, why risk it? Don't use it. Get parchment paper. Make sure it says parchment paper. Found in the baking aisle, found at Walmart, found any supermarket. Well, unless it's my supermarket, because it's so small, they usually don't have things like that. But push comes to shove, go to Walmart.com and you can buy parchment paper. And you can take this plastic off and cover it with parchment paper. This came with a nice toolkit, very standard, green boat, pink wax, pink single pen. Nothing special, but it's just enough. It's just enough. There are 5, 10, 15, 20 colors. And it is a beautiful country scene with a barn and a little field and a fence, a little dirt road. Very pretty. And I love the fall colors. Here's the drills, so you can see. And there's some beautiful like blues and whites for the sky and the clouds. Very pretty. I like when they do the drills like this because inventory is so quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Done. They're all there. And I don't see DMC numbers. It has a number next to it, but it starts with a C. Maybe that's DMC. I'll pull out my chart and take a good look at it. I will put the link in the description. This is beautiful. I think this is going to be very pretty when it's done. It's nothing special. It's not huge. I love this 40 by 30 size. But it's not, the colors aren't blocky. It's not like the clouds are one color. I see 4 colors. The barn is 3 colors. All these trees and leaves and stuff. I'll put the picture up in case I didn't say that. I honestly don't remember if I did or not. And that's it. Beautiful little, oh, baby's woofing at something. Beautiful little diamond painting. Very nice. And a few little creases, but no bubbles in the glue. Everything looks good. So you have a great day and have fun diamond painting. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.